Welcome to Grow and Preserve. I'm Carter and I'm so glad you're here today. I wanted to do a very quick video and show you that I went shopping in my backyard this morning. I was filming a garden tour first thing this morning and I saw a couple of cucumbers that had been hiding from me. So I know I wanted to get those. And then I had a batch of canned tomatoes yesterday that did not seal. Or did not seal properly. So I've had those in the refrigerator and we are going to turn those into gazpacho today. I'll do that on camera. So, it's always good to know what to do with canning attempts that fail. I can't even tell you how many hundreds of jars of tomatoes I've canned, and I made a mistake, one little mistake yesterday, and luckily it was a small batch, but although that was indeed the problem, a small batch, big canner, things tipped over. So I'll show you at least clips of that. You don't have to sit through the whole canning process to end up at a fail, but I will show you clips of that from yesterday. And then today we'll make the gazpacho together. So let me show you, I'm gonna bring you down here and show you what I picked up today in the backyard. Let's see, get you, that's pretty good. So here's my little bucket. So I needed some basil for the gazpacho. So this is way more basil than I'm gonna need, but you know how basil is just there and you just have to pick it. So I have mostly green and a little purple one. We'll put that on top. I have, let's finish the gazpacho. I needed a jalapeno pepper, so I have that. I needed some cucumbers. So I have those. These are pickling cucumbers, but I've made so many pickles, I don't need any more pickles. So I'm gonna use those in the gazpacho today. And then I have the tomatoes, and I also have onions from the garden, but those have been harvested and they're already cured. So I will show you those as we go through it. Then I have something that is eating my tomatoes. So as soon as they start to turn a shade of orange, pale orange, light red, I like to get them out of the garden. Now my slicers I'm trying to leave in there, and I have a shade cloth over those. And I have so many cherry tomatoes that if they get some of those, they get some of those. But my paste tomatoes, I will take out before they're completely ripened on the vine and eat it. You see, it looks like a bird pecked into that one. So I won't be canning that one. I'll probably eat that one my lunch today, cutting around the boo-boos. But I had a whole bunch of these today. This one, I don't know, it looks like an old injury that's scarred over. And then I have a bunch of little cherry tomatoes. This one, I want to show you this one. This one is the black cherry. We love the black cherry. Oh my goodness, that is such a good tomato. I can't even tell you. This is the Bumblebee Sunrise. Isn't that beautiful? I just think that is so, so pretty. It's not as good as the black cherry, but it's beautiful. Then I wanted to show you, I have these are Sugar Rush Peach peppers. We're gonna make some hot sauce today for my husband. So I have a few more of these that I harvested a couple days ago, and they've been in the fridge, and I have a couple of other random hot peppers. So we're going to make him some hot sauce today. I'll bring you along for that too. So that's it. Just a quick little, not even really a harvest, but more of a shopping trip. So I can make what I need to make today. So I'll see you soon. I hope you have a wonderful day, and thank you so much. Oops, I'm so sorry to drop you like that. Thank you so much for being here. And I hope that you will like and subscribe. Well, I'm not sure you're gonna subscribe if I keep dropping you. Well, okay, there you are. We'll go with that. Anyway, thanks so much for being here. I appreciate it. Look forward to seeing you next time. Have a great day. Bye-bye.